In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple files in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to move, organize, delete, or download several files at once, knowing how to select multiple files can save you a lot of time. This is a very simple action, but it's one of those small skills that makes working in Google Drive much more efficient. To begin, open Google Drive and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where you can access all of your stored documents, folders, and other files. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded so you can clearly see your file list. Next, look to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This section shows the files and folders that are stored directly in your drive, and it's usually the easiest place to work when you want to select several items together. After clicking My Drive, you should see your files displayed in the main panel. Now for the key step, move your cursor to an empty white space next to your files. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag across the files and downward to highlight as many as you want. As you drag, Google Drive will create a selection box, and any file inside that area will become selected. This is a quick and visual way to grab multiple files at once, especially when they appear close together in the list or grid. As you do this, try to drag carefully so you only capture the files you want. If your files are arranged in a long list, dragging downward helps expand the selection area. If they're shown in a grid layout, the same method still works, and you can sweep across several items in one motion. Once the files are selected, they'll appear highlighted, which confirms that Google Drive has included them in the selection. At that point, you can continue with whatever action you plan to take, whether that's moving them into a folder, organizing your workspace, or managing them in bulk. A helpful tip is to make sure you start dragging from blank space rather than directly on top of a file, because clicking on a file itself may simply open it or select only that one item. Starting in the empty area gives you better control over the selection box. And that's it. That's how to select multiple files in Google Drive quickly and easily. Once you get used to this method, it becomes a fast and convenient part of organizing your files online.